This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
What is up guys, Arifur is here and welcome to Web Research Volume 1 Finding Company Information for Beginners. In this lecture, I will show you how to find any company email address with using company Facebook page. At first, right click on the company name. Then click on copy. Minimize the Excel program. Open Google Chrome. Type google.com in the address bar. Paste the company name and press enter. Right click on the Facebook link which matched with company name. Click on open link in a new tab. Open the tab. At first you have to check the company location. Then click on about. Page up a little bit. Look here carefully in the contact info. You can see the company email on here.